Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to clear the troubleshooting history on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search lang natin yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then next ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin enter to command keyword na to. So copy lang natin ito and then nilalagay ko to sa description box. Okay, and then next, paste lang natin dito. Ito yung command keyword na rd space /s space /q and then %localappdata %/diagnostic. Alright, and then ang ibig sabihin nito is to clear all user troubleshooter history including all troubleshooting history from troubleshooters that will run as the current user and command prompt. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na the system cannot find the file specified. Alright? And then next command keyword na enter natin ay kailangan lang natin itong i-copy. So copy lang natin yan. And then next ay paste natin dito. And then ito yung command keyword na pangalawa na rd space /s space /q and then %localappdata %/ElevatedDiagnostics. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is to clear all administrator troubleshooting history including all troubleshooting history from troubleshooters that were run as administrator and command prompt. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. And then ang next step dito ay close lang natin ito. And then press mo lang dito sa start menu and then click mo lang itong restart. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-clear ng troubleshooting history in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.